Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Let's have a look. While all eyes are on Samsung's first big phone released of 2019, the Samsung Galaxy S10, don't forget that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will likely drop just 6 months later. Samsung Pahabli range invariably turns out to be the ultimate expression of its formidable hardware resource in any given year. You can bet that 2019 will be the same. As you can see, Samsung has been remarkably consistent with its Galaxy Note release announcements. 5 of the 8 models have been unveiled in August, while the others 3 crept into September. What's more, those 3 all came early on in the Pahabli range life. What we are saying is expect on August 2019 announcements for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. When it launched in August, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 cost £899, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 before it retailed for £869, while the Galaxy Note 7 had a $749 price tag. It's a familiar story of rising smartphone prices which we have seen across the market regardless of brand or tier. Don't expect Note 10 to be any cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Then Samsung's tendency to cram everything it can into its Pahabli range means that is going to be at least £899. Indeed, we would not be surprised to see the Galaxy Note 10 creep into the £900 or even £1,000 this year. Rival Apple has gone even higher with its own larger screen efforts, and with the rumors of 5G connectivity and significant price bump might be on their cards. According to Korean website ET News, there could be as many as 4 distinct Galaxy Note 10 models released of this year. That's what a well-known leakers recently posted to Weibo as reported by Gizmo China. While the Exynos 9820 will make its way into the Samsung Galaxy S10, the report claims that the Galaxy Note 10 will receive the Exynos 9825. There is no news on what benefits this second half step forward chip will bring, but it's bound to be a little faster. One decent guess is that the Note 10's Exynos 9825 will be built to the 7nm process that's being used in the Apple A12, the Kirin 980 and the forthcoming Snapdragon 855. The Galaxy S10 will be built using a larger 8nm process. The difference sounds slight, but it will make for a more efficient chip that can in turn be cranked up higher. The other rumors of multiple Galaxy Note 10 models thrown an interesting extra factor in play. According to the Korean reports, the 2 LTE models will pack 6.2-inch and 6.7-inch displays. Presumably, the design will stay much the same across the range. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 cameras will inevitably borrow a fair amount from the Samsung Galaxy S10. Numerous leaks and rumors seems to suggest that this will mean a triple camera affairs with the 3 sensors arranged alongside one another rather than in a cluster like Huawei's. Reports suggest that this will include a 12-megapixel f1.5/2.4 lens, a 16-megapixel super wide angle one with a f/1.9 aperture and a 1 to 3 degree field of view plus a 13-megapixel f/2.4 lens. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And stay blessed, peace out, take care, bye bye.